Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the phone is updated and gestures are enabled. This ensures the split screen commands work as expected. Open both apps you plan to use, one after the other, so they appear in recent apps. Once done, swipe up to recent or tap the square button. Make sure to close heavy background apps if you notice slowdowns, because split screen uses extra memory and CPU, and you want a smooth multitasking experience from the first tap. Now you'll actually create the split. In recent apps, tap the app's icon and choose split screen so it pins to one side. Next, pick the second app from recent or open it from the app drawer to fill the other pane. Make sure to drag the divider to resize panes for reading versus typing. On the Moto Edge 50, you can switch orientation to use left/right in landscape or top/bottom in portrait, which helps when one app needs more space for input. To finish, drag the divider fully to one edge or tap the app icon and choose Close Split. This restores a single app view. Once comfortable, create an app pair shortcut on your home screen or use gestures for quicker access next time, since that saves steps. If the split becomes unresponsive, restart the phone and clear the problem app's cache. If that fails, update the apps or system because outdated versions often break multitasking features, and that usually fixes stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.